Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you the best setting to automatically save recovery file in Photoshop. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Photoshop. Then having opened up your Photoshop, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there and go to Edit tab. Then this is going to drop down. The next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here where you have preferences, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to go to file handling. Simply click on that, and in a few seconds this dialog box here is going to pump up. Now the next thing you need to do is to, under the file savings options right here, what you need to do is to click on automatically save recovery information every. Then you have to come here, choose the minutes at which you want to your file recovery to be saved. I'm going to simply put it in 5 minutes, which is the best so far. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on OK right here, and as simple as that. Next thing you need to do is to close your Photoshop, restart your PC, and start your design or editing with Photoshop. So this simply means that each time you are trying to create Photoshop in the Photoshop workspace, it's going to automatically save your recovery file every 5 minutes. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more best Photoshop settings like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.